D Brooks exclusive.
Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Brandy Giz, and I'm back on your screen, and today I have something fun to share with you all. I have an unboxing from a company that sent me some shoes from collectkicks.ru. Make sure I said that right. Yes, from collectkicks.ru. It was actually sent in a box like so, but it was wrapped up real good so that nobody can see what you got. So I ended up getting a pair of shoes, some more Nike swoosh. Yes guys, I like these. I have the black ones and I really do like them. These are the 10, which is the Nike Air Prestos, and I wear a 9.5, 10 for comfort. I get a 10, but in men's size I'll get a 8.5. Yes, so I ended up getting the white ones, the white Nike swoosh. Okay, and I don't wear my gym shoes like right away for some reason. I always wait. These are so cute. I'm sure they'll be cute on. Like I said, I have the black ones, and the black ones are super comfortable, y'all. They're super comfortable, easy to put on. They don't feel weird or anything, and it was made nice. These look the same, and I'm going to show you up close how they look. I have on my workout attire. Ask me, am I working out? I don't know, y'all, but I just want to put it on. But yeah, these are the shoes. They look so cute, crisp and clean. Hopefully you guys can see this. Okay, I want to switch you guys over. I'm gonna move back a little bit, but these are the shoes. They are so nice, right? Real nice white shoes. Some people don't like to wear white in the fall, but sometimes I would throw on a white pair of shoes on a really nice sunny day. That's just me. Or you can just wait and get the black ones, or you can just get the black ones, or wait until springtime. You know you have the shoes. But I like the fact that it has the writing over here, and then on the laces it just says shoelaces, like so. And this is how the tongue is made. The tongue is a little different because it looks like it's not finished, in my opinion, but I mean, they're nice, and it just has that Nike symbol on here. And then you have these right here, and they said that these are like the off-white shoes. I'm not really familiar with off-white, but I guess this is their signature if I'm not mistaken. But this looks like a sticker. So yeah, yeah, I guess that's the way the shoe is made. But I like it. It's cute, and on the back it has that little Velcro, just to add more, you know, cuteness to the shoe. And this is how the sole is made. So yeah, it's very comfortable, guys. Like I said, I have this in black. Let me show y'all how the inside looks, and you just, you know, put them on. Now they also come with the orange laces, and it'll give your shoe a pop of color, but I don't need all that, but that's for those of y'all who do. And then you have your StockX card. You can snap a picture, show that you verified it's authentic tag, upload to Instagram, hashtag StockX, get featured, and brag to your friends about the shoe. Yeah, and I just like how they have the yeah, off-white care of Nike. And some people put this tag on the shoe. I'm not doing all that either, but it's there for those of you all who want it. And you know, that cute little paper. So that's about it that came in. You get the StockX. Yeah, and then you have these that come in the mail. But these are cute, guys. I like these. So I am a gym shoe girl. I don't wear gym shoes all the time, but like to work, because I'm always walking at my job. So yeah, these are really, really nice. I might I'm not gonna wear them tomorrow because they're gonna rain, but when it is nice and sunny out, I probably would slip these on because you can wear white shoes even after Labor Day, honey. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how they look on. They are super comfortable and very affordable. The Nike sign right here is in like a beige right there, if you can see that. It's like an off-white. I won't even say beige, it's like an off-white. But these are cute, and I'm gonna take the tag off. Or should I just leave it on? I'll take the tag off because it does look a little hideous. All right, I'm gonna try these on, and I'm gonna show you how they look on without socks. Because you know what, you can wear these if you work out when you're going to the gym. That's where I would wear. If you're going to the gym, you can wear these shoes. They are so comfortable on, you guys. Okay, I'm gonna try it on the other shoe. Okay, one thing I can say about the mesh that's on the toe part, if you don't wear socks, you can actually see through them. I can see my yellow nail polish. So that is just FYI for those of you all who, you know, want to know. The mesh is a little bit thin. So let's try these on. I'll see y'all in a minute. All right, my love, so these are the shoes. Super cute. Very comfortable. Alright, my love, so with that being said, I want to thank my friends over at collectkick.ru for sending me these here sneaks to share with you all, and you can save $10 off if you use my coupon code, which is BrandieGives. You'll get $10 off. Check out the website, and don't forget to thumbs up the video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, have a blessed one. Bye, y'all.